So the interior is in a little bit of a disarray right now, just for the simple fact that I did have line lock installed in it, so he had the wires kind of prepped for me. The center console has to come back out anyways. I have a head unit that I'm hoping to install. The engine swap, the engine management system is Haltech. However, if you see that scared the crap out of me when I first drove it. And so, so I have parts coming in for that. I ordered a new OEM hood, and then also the dash display for the Haltech IC7. And so I'll be doing that in another video. But yeah, it's very much so a project. So first of the upgrades on the interior, I'm going to be putting an RD wheel. It's HKS edition, comes with the nice little HKS horn button. And then the other thing I like is the stitching. Some HKS colors too. So I also got a Billetworkz steering wheel hub. Well, here's the hub, and then here is the actual adapter. There we go. So basically, plants your steering wheel like this, pull it to bring it back, and then it'll sit flat so that it's easier to walk in. But this feels good, really good material and everything. So let's go ahead and throw it. Come on, bro. Jeez, a lot harder than I thought. But yeah, let's go ahead and throw these in the car. That I did not talk about for the Braum seats. I chose, I forgot what they're called, but it's supposed to be I think it's like a British tan. I thought that it would pop really nice, and then noticed in my video, I never showed you exactly why I installed it like this. So basically you take one hand, just press it, and then now you can get in. So that's all it is. And then with the shift knob, that HKS one felt really cheap. I actually got this one from Billetworkz, and the reason why I got this one, it's weighted, and also they custom etched in the shift, the H pattern on this. So the shift pattern for this specific car, and so yeah, so everything now works. There was an issue I was having with it staying in fourth. Took this all apart. I think the bolts were put in the wrong way, shaved it a little bit, but now it's, yeah, way better than what it was. So that's really it for the interior of the vehicle. I still do need to get a roll cage in. Still going to take it to Power Cruise, just so I can get the first drive and see what other things I need to do, but the biggest thing is going to be putting in a roll cage, right? Safety first, one of my main goals. We removed the original one that came with the car. For this video and the purpose of today, those are all the main interior updates. Next, I'll be revealing wheel and tire setup. And then after that, we'll finally go to the dyno bay.